My name is Dr. Julie Hayek. Throughout this training here, we looked at disease, we looked at the code of genetics, we looked at epigenetics. We covered a lot of things. We covered things in nature, like herbs, and how herbs can be a part of a routine of giving someone in order to help them with their health needs.
Here are the lessons that I have learned from this training, the medical missionary volunteer. So one empowering lessons that I learned here in this training is we don't really need to rely or comment sa mga commercial sources. But by growing our own food and learning basic therapies, we can take charge of our health and help others to do the same. So this training remind me to treat the body as a temple of the Holy Spirit. And lastly, God is the one who will bring healing and power. And through prayer, faith, and trust in God, this will be always the heart of every medical missionary work.
Ang na-learn ko sa bilog nga training is about organic farming, wherein dito na-learn namon, nako, especially, ang paggamit sa mga organic fertilizer nga makitaan lang gali sa palibot. Like, itong ginhimo namon nga fermented fruit juice, fish amino acids. So, organic farming is a very sustainable gid, no? O friendly po siya sa atong environment, o friendly po siya sa bulsa sa atong mga farmers.
I love doing this kind of a thing, teaching people, because now when people are taught well, they can take a lot from this and go forth in confidence, knowing that God is the source of healing. So I'm thankful that there's people that are interested in learning what they can do in order to reach people and help people.